Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear students. Uh, Yesterday, in last topic, I told you about the plant sources of food, plants as a sources of food, and animals as a sources of food. So, first one, plants as sources of food. As plants as sources of food. Plants as sources of food. Plants as sources of food. So food obtained from the plants are of different types. It is cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, oils, sugar, tea, coffee and spices. Which kind of things we are getting from the plants? Most of the things we are getting from the plants, that is you can see that cereals, pulses, tea, coffee, and spices, oil. These things, etc. These many things are there. We are getting from the plants, and most of the things we are getting from the plant. So plant is a rich sources of food, and when you have to look in your book at the figure 1.3, then try to answer the following questions. Some questions are given on page number 4, and you have to find out which of the plants give us different food items like the cereals, pulses, oils, vegetables, fruits, spices, sugar, tea and coffee. Second question is which part of the plants are eaten, and which of the part have more than one edible part, and then which food items are eaten raw, that is the uncooked, which food item we are eating uncooked, and which ones after cooking or boiling or processing. So when you have to see these questions, you can find out the answer from here. So cooking makes food items soft and easily digestible, and it improves our flavor and taste of the food, and cooking also kills the harmful germs present in our food. So why we are cooking foods? First, it improves flavor and taste, and second one is it kills the harmful microbes present in the raw food. And now read the following information so as to answer the above questions. Cereals are the most important because it is a rich sources of carbohydrate. Cereals are the rich sources of carbohydrate. Cereals, it is the rich sources of carbohydrates. Cereals is the rich sources of carbohydrates, and they most important cereals. Three are the most important cereals, that is the maize, wheat and rice. Maize, wheat and rice is the most important cereals. Cereals are rich in carbohydrates, and it is the most important maize, wheat and rice are the most important cereals, and these cereals are obtained from the grains. Biologically, grains are the fruits of the any plant, and pulses or legumes, commonly called the dals, and pulses are rich in proteins. Here you can see that pulses are rich in proteins. Pulses are rich in proteins. Pulses are rich in proteins. So in this class you will take revision till here.